We just finished doing yoga and we're now back in the weight room. But that was my first time doing yoga. I couldn't film as much just because, yeah, I mean, we were just constantly going for 60 minutes. But it was very, very nice. Definitely need to work on my flexibility. But being that it was my first time, I can definitely see myself doing it more. But I wish it was also just done outside, because normally they do it outside, but because it's fairly cloudy out, they had to hold it inside. But yeah, nonetheless, it was a great yoga sesh. I was sweating so much. Jasmina was like, I've never seen you sweat so much, because even in the weight room, I don't really sweat as much.
Yeah, he doesn't at all, which is crazy.
I was sweating so much that our yoga instructor, gave me towel to wipe myself down.
A wet towel, or was it?
It wasn't a wet towel. No, it was just a dry towel because I was sweating so much. But it was good. I can see myself doing that more. But yeah, today is our last day. We're leaving here, unfortunately. But overall, we had an amazing time here. But yeah, we're gonna get a workout in. But before we get this workout going, we gotta get the usual: the apples and the detox water is what they call it, I think. Oh, am I gonna get an apple or?
Oh, you want an apple now?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
There you go.
Yeah.
Clean it up a little bit. It's the last breakfast here at Pullman Danang, and yeah, I'm excited to have this food because, listen, we got the usual, right? It's been the same the past few days. There's maybe a few new items in place, but I decided to order this. It looks like an alcoholic beverage, right? Just because of how it's served, but this is actually this is what it's called, a special Vietnamese 3-layer macchiato. Look at that. I don't know why I didn't order this on the first day we had breakfast. I have no idea, but I'm gonna give it a shot. But she said you're supposed to stir it, and then you can take a little sip. I don't know how much stirring I'm gonna do. I guess just mix it up to make sure.
She said to stir it well.
Yeah, that's what she said. She said before drinking it. Because it is 3 layers, it makes sense. So you are supposed to mix it properly. But this looks very bougie.
It looks strong.
And it's, yeah, you can even smell it. I can smell it from like when I was just sitting down. The scent is very, very strong. I'm just spilling it all over. I don't know if you can see that. It's just dripping now on the side. Jeez, it actually looks really good. I'm gonna try it first with a spoon. Wow, what the? No way.
How is it?
I'm gonna order 10 of these today, which is probably not ideal. Okay, I'm gonna have a taste. I like it. Okay, I don't like strong coffee, but this one, it's weird because it is strong, but it has that macchiato taste, obviously, so it balances it out between sweet and bitter. It's like the perfect balance, I guess is what I'm trying to say, between very bitter coffee and macchiato, the sweetness of macchiato. You want to give it a shot?
Oh yeah, I would love to. It looks so vintage. It smells so good.
Do you like it or no?
Oh, I like it.
This is our third plate. As you can see, we're somewhat slowing down. And I got myself some salad, salmon, cheese, salami, and I forget what this is called, but it's fish. And Jasmina really likes the tomatoes.
Yeah, they're the cherry tomatoes. It's like with garlic and yeah, it's really nice and it's so sweet. So
yeah.
good.
Yeah, but yeah, we're slowing down as you can see. But I think after this, it's probably going to be the last round, which is the fourth round of plates. Yeah, I'm just going to get baked items. And I'm going to have the mango ice cream again, just like yesterday. I'm probably going to order another special Vietnamese macchiato is the name of it. But yeah, it's been a good breakfast slash lunch, brunch essentially. So we're about to check out of Pullman Danang, and it's just been such an amazing experience here. So I want to give a big thanks to them once again, but we're gonna give a little feedback, review, and share our experience with you, our own personal thoughts, by the way. And even though this is a sponsored stay, these thoughts are
Not
our own.
biased.
Yeah, it's not biased. It's just from our own personal opinion. But yeah, I want to talk about the welcoming and the check-in procedure. First, I thought it was very professional. Everyone was fairly attentive. The welcome drink was obviously a nice added touch to walking into the hotel. And what was the other one? Oh, the towels were great as well. I mean, little things like these, you know, it's something you expect from a resort like this. And it was just such a warm welcome. In fact, the whole entire stay here, everyone just acknowledges you, from whether it's a manager of a certain department all the way down to the gardeners. They all acknowledged us, which is really, really amazing. There's an employee that will walk you up to your room. She'll take you through everything, just do a little walkthrough. And the employee that we got was very, very funny. I think her name is Evie or something.
Yeah.
But she was a funny one. She's very, you know, she's a chatterbox, but
Yeah.
very, very funny. It's a nice added experience to, you know, your first impressions of the hotel. Now let's talk about the facilities here.
Yeah, okay. So the first facility I want to talk about is the spa. The spa was outstanding.
It was just so relaxing. I mean, you would have seen the vlogs. We looked high as a kite. Like, we were just floating.
After the spa, we looked really
Yeah, after the spa. Not before, after. And we found out later when we were just filming the lobby area for the spa, where you had to wait because, you know, when we walked in, we didn't really observe it, but we saw that it was it was the best rated spa in Asia or in the entire world or something like that. Something crazy.
No, it was in Asia. It was in Asia, and it was rewarded in like 2019. So
2019.
it was, yeah.
Yeah, and that makes complete sense because, I mean, the spa treatment was just amazing. I'm glad we took that because that was such a last minute offer from them. And yeah, they called us and they were like, you got to be down there in 30 minutes. There's an appointment. Do you want to do it? And we're like, yeah. Jasmina started jumping up and down. She's like, yeah, spa day. And that's like after settling in, by the way.
Yeah.
We just got settled in and we thought we were just going to chill out, hang out, check out, you know, the area.
Yeah.
But we headed down to the spa. That was really, really amazing. It was literally from top to bottom. Head massage to the body to the feet massage. But my favorite was in the beginning, for sure, when they started doing the feet. The feet spa was just...
It was like a detox. I think it was like to cleanse the dead skin or something, because they used the sea salt and then they put your feet in like water mixed with, I don't know, lime or like other things.
It felt really, really good. Yeah. But in terms of other facilities, there's the gym, obviously, which is good enough. It's not something, you know, I've stepped out just to work out at the actual gym from here, but it is enough to kind of get you going. And if you want to move your body first thing in the morning, for Jasmina, for example, it's more than enough for her. So the gym is actually very, very nice. It comes with free, detox water, and then apples in the fridge, which is really, really amazing. And then your usual towels and all that stuff. Well ventilated, great machines, and fairly clean as well. It's right beside the pool. And there's a few restaurants here. There's one at the lobby. There's Azure, and then there's breakfast buffet area. But Azure yesterday, we had dinner yesterday. What are your thoughts on that?
It was really good. The food is excellent quality. I had the gnocchi. It was so good. It's a little bit on the pricier side though. I will just say it is. Yeah, it's like European pricing at this point, but the food was really good. So.
Yeah, she liked her plate. I honestly didn't like my plate.
Yeah, it was quite small.
It was small, and when I think of prawns, I'm just thinking of actual prawns, like really juicy, fat prawns. I got shrimps. I feel
and
like
there weren't even that many too. There were just
there was 4.
Yeah.
Can't complain too much. I mean, the atmosphere, the service again was top notch, but it's just the food that I got is just way, as just Mina says, way overpriced, and the quality I feel was lacking on at least that plate that they served me.
Yeah.
But again, I do have high expectations, so I don't know. But I mean, just Mina even tasted it, and it was, and she saw the plate too. It's just not.
For me, it's, I mean, I don't want to like be too harsh, but I feel like the plate that he got, it was kind of something that you can just get out like outside of any other restaurant. I mean, any good like spot.
Yeah.
I just don't think it was really worth that price, especially like for the little amount that it was. I mean, for the pasta, I think it's a different thing.
I think the pasta was great.
Yeah.
Okay, next thing, the so-called private beach. It is not a private beach because everyone can just literally walk along that strip of sand by the water and they can just step in, and sure, we have cabanas and the beach chairs here and umbrellas, and those are for hotel guests, sure, but people can just lay out their towels on our side, and it's not really a private beach. My definition of a private beach, and it's just secluded for hotel guests only. And like, I think it should have just been a beachfront.
Yeah,
beachfront, not private beach, because to me that automatically registers to just, it's like gated or something, and then you have this part of the beach of this section. But yeah, that's not gated. And what else? The lobby. Oh, so the yoga.
Yeah, the yoga was cool.
The yoga was pretty cool. I was sweating bullets, but made it through. I've never sweat so. I mean, yeah, sure, I've sweat during cardio, lifting weights, barely. But yeah, but yoga, I was sweating so much that our yoga instructor
was sweating so
was
much.
soaked. Our yoga instructor gave me a towel, just threw me a towel or something, the white towel.
Yeah, but she was nice.
Yeah, she was really nice. But I really like yoga. Like I said, I think it's definitely one of those things that I want to include into my routine in terms of, like, working out and then meditation and all that stuff. I just think it's good for your body. So we definitely want to do more of that.
Yeah, and I love how it's like included like every day, where you just gotta book like the day before, just so that they know how much mats to put. But really nice experience. We were just hoping that we were able to do it outside, but the weather is just so unpredictable these days that you never know if it can rain or not. But it was still fun. Yeah,
and then the rest of the facilities, the lobby, the swimming pool, I mean, it's your standard basic stuff, but it is very beautiful.
Yeah.
Let's talk about the location of this place. I feel that it's very conveniently located. It's near a lot of restos. The ATM is actually just right outside. There's a lot of markets here. Now, in terms of things to do, like the things to do in Da Nang, I mean, you're either gonna have to get a scooter or a Grab or a car or something, rent a car, but that's with anything else in the area. If you were to stay at the hotel, 2 kilometers away from here, you still have to do all those things. You have to get some sort of transportation, just because all of the things to do here in Da Nang is out there.
It's spread around.
Yeah. But in terms of beach access, I mean, it's just right there.
Yeah.
So it's really nice. The room, we have a view of the beach and then the pool and the front area, or the middle area, the main area of the place, I guess.
Yeah.
But yeah, I really like the room as well. It's spacious, high ceilings, very clean. They clean it every day. I love how, when they are cleaning it, the workers or the cleaner, whoever cleaned up your place, will leave their name and saying they've probably cleaned up your room or made your room or something. It's a nice touch to things, and they're very attentive to detail as well. We even left the key, the safe open, or I did actually the other day, and then they left a note and they said they had resetted the password, and then if we could just come up with a new password. So little things like that. It was it's very professional. It's nice, and to experience that for the room service and all that. But yeah, overall though, amazing stay. Really highly recommend Pullman Danang. I mean, like I said before, we could stay here for a month if we wanted to. It's just the convenience, the customer service is top notch, the ambience of the place and the facilities, what it offers within the area, the complex is a lot. I think it's such an amazing resort. And if you are here in Da Nang and you want to check this out, we're gonna link their website down below in the description box. Make sure you check them out. But aside from that, we just want to say thank you for watching this series. Hope you enjoyed these videos. And if you did, you already know what to do. Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to our channels if you haven't done so yet. And we'll catch you in the next video.
Bye.